Our universe has both gaseous planets also, but what is a gaseous planet? Before we dive into the video, let us know what gaseous planets are. A gas giant is a large planet composed mostly of gases such as hydrogen and helium with a relatively small rocky core. The gas giants of our solar system are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These four large planets reside in the outer part of the solar system past the orbits of Mars and the asteroid belt. But the worlds are quite distinct from one another. Jupiter and Saturn are substantially larger than Uranus and Neptune, and each pair of planets has a somewhat different composition. Although there are only 4 large planets in our solar system, astronomers have discovered thousands outside of it using numerous telescopes on Earth and in space. These exoplanets are being examined to learn more about how our solar system came to be and to compare the formation of our solar system to those planetary systems that might be quite different. It appears that one of the first uses of the word gas giant to refer to a large planet arose in a 1952 science fiction piece by author James Blish. At the time, Blish wrote, "No planet had yet been discovered outside of our solar system, nor were any spacecraft yet lifting off from Earth." This meant that in his era, everything we knew about the planets came from telescopic observations, astronomical theories, and data sets just beginning to be parsed by the emerging computer models available at the time. It would take decades before more information came to light. The first flyby of Jupiter took place in 1972 with Pioneer 10, while the first exoplanets were discovered around Pulsar PSR 1257+12 in 1992. The field of gas giant research has rapidly diversified and widened in the decades since. Elements of research that caught scientists' attention in recent years included discussions of gas giant rings and figuring out the source of auroras. Furthermore, Nature argued gas giant research will be rich ground for different types of scientists to meet and share their knowledge. Ever since that era, the 2020s have been rich in discoveries thanks to the growing integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence to pursue data sets, not to mention the number of new telescopes seeing first light. Big observations of the 2020s include the James Webb Space Telescope and the European Extremely Large Telescope, both of which are expected to contribute to studying exoplanets. Already too, we have a wealth of exoplanet data from observatories such as NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, the agency's retired Kepler Space Telescope, and the high-accuracy radial velocity planet searcher on the European Southern Observatory's 3.6-meter telescope at La Silla Observatory in Chile. NASA says more than 4,000 exoplanets have been found by early 2022, a large proportion of them gas giants. Do you know anything about gas planets? Comment below and let us know. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Keep watching Thought Control for such videos.